So we had hand-to-hand Charleston. Our basic rhythm, with our right hand connected, bit of pressure, right foot down, left foot down, right foot down, left foot down. We then did our kick arounds, 4 kicks, right, left, and come back in. We had our big arms for our kick arounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. We also had our small arms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Big, down. We had our cool breeze with our legs, da da da, do, da da da, da da da. And we had our entry into our side-by-side Charleston, which we're doing next week. Kick, kick, run, slide. Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step.